Artoonza.
All right, future artists, buckle up. Today we're turning the mighty number 19 into a super cool car. Get ready to zoom into creativity with paints, glitter, and maybe even a little bit of nail polish.
Give us your life.
Please don't tell my mom. We're gonna have so much fun, even your toys will be jealous. So, grab your markers and let's rev those engines. It's time to draw a car so awesome, it might just vroom off your page.
Drawing time. Let's have a lot of fun together.
Aw, so cute.
Wow!
Ready to splash some color. Let's color together. Blue. Orange. Yellow.
Wow!
Black. Black glitter nail polish. Shh. Never tell my mom. Color, color, color.
Aw, so cute.
Mix it up, mix it up. Color, color, color. Give us a big thumbs up. This is so amazing. A big kiss to everyone. See you next time. Thanks for watching. We hope you had fun.